Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a SharePoint communication site. So I'm here in my SharePoint page, and in order for us to start making a communication site, you're just going to go ahead and click the Create Site button here. After clicking on it, you will be given two choices. We have the team site and the communication site. Again, what we want is the communication site, so let's go ahead and click that one. You can name this however you want. In my case, I'm going to call it the SharePoint tutorial, and once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and click finish. You can add a description as well. You can also edit the site address and also select a language, but in my case, I'm just going to click finish. And once you're done, you will be redirected here. It says start designing your site. You can just go ahead and click here, browse templates, or you can just skip this part. In my case, I'm going to try and open some templates here in order for us to be more efficient. And I think these templates here look amazing. So you have here a lot of examples to choose from, and I'm going to try to choose something. Alright, so this one here, the first one, I'm going to try and click this one. And then you can just go ahead and click use template. Alright, as you can see, now we are here. You can just go ahead and follow this step here. We have next steps, customize your site. And if you're going to click this one here, you should be guided on the following steps. Now we're going to close this one here, and I'm going to show you how to edit these. Say for example, this one here, you can just go ahead and click this button here. It says edit. Alright, and then you have here basically a lot of things going on. Now you can just change this one. You can change this however you want. I'm just going to keep it that way, and I'm going to show you more things here. Alright, and we're going to go here, and in terms of the image, you can actually edit this one as well. You can just go ahead and click this one here. Alright, and then you're going to click here, edit web part. Now under web part, you're going to see here image. So it's up to you what you're going to be using. So you can click this one here in order to change. You can have your own recently uploaded image. You can also go and click here, stock images. So basically these are stock images that you can use. Say for example, we're going to try to use this one here, and I'm going to click insert. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, it changed. Now let's close this one. Alright, and then we're going to scroll down for some more. Now another thing that I'm going to basically tell you guys is that here, everything is actually changeable. For example, the color, you can also do that one. You can change this thing's color. Now once you're done customizing everything, what you're going to do is click this one here. We are going to republish this one, and we're going to click republish here once again. Alright, as you can see here, it says you just publish a page, tell us how it went. And then we can just go back here in our SharePoint, and we're going to go here, my sites, and there you go. So you have here the SharePoint tutorial. Again, this is what we named it earlier. And as you can see, it says here that it's published on 10/25, which is the day today. And you can just basically go ahead and try to scroll around here. You can go ahead and edit this once again if there is something that has to be edited. And yes, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to create a SharePoint communication site.